Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joyful Biobelle. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining. And if you're a new subscriber or if you're new to this channel, you just stumbled across this video, thank you so much for stumbling and joining. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. So today's video is a long awaited eyebrow tutorial. Yes, so let's get right into the video. Yes, before after when you're doing when you're doing your eyebrows, you use I'm using a pencil, a brown pencil, to outline the bottom part of the brows and the top part of the brows. After doing this, I went with a brown pencil called Davis, and I went in with the darker pencil. It's a black pencil actually. It's Eversheen black pencil. I use it to darken the outer area of the brows. When doing your brows, the outer and towards the end of the brow will look darker, and the beginning of the brows will look lighter. You know, that is how our brows look. If you look into the mirror of your natural brows, that's how it looks. Naturally, the beginning of the brows is lighter than towards the end. Then I went in also with the dark pencil to do strokes, like hair-like strokes on the brows. I'm not shading. If you are watching it, watch carefully. I just started doing hair-like strokes so it appears to look like your natural hair. Then for the beginning part of the brows, I use the brown pencil to also do hair-like strokes. You can see how I'm doing. I'm not shading. I'm just doing it so it will just look like it's your hair, your eyebrow, the hair on your eyebrow. I use the darker pencil for the end, and I use the lighter shade of the pencil for the beginning. Now I'm just going ahead to outline. When you're outlining, please just take your time to outline. Some people will feel like if I don't outline it well, when I'm concealing, I'll use it to correct the mistake. It's always better to outline it well from the beginning. Now I'm using the concealer to I'm using the concealer to outline, to conceal the pencil, to highlight the brows. I use this exact shade of foundation I used on her. You know, those are the days when we use lighter shade of concealer, very light, but now everything is like natural look. So you just use the same shade of foundation or concealer on her brows. Or if you want to make it lighter, I can just use maybe one shade lighter. It doesn't have to be too light. And a little goes a long way. After doing that, I use the brush to blend it in. Please, if you are yet to subscribe and you're got to this part of the video, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly. Okay, now I'm through with the brows. You see, very fast. What are those days when you do brows? You use like 20 minutes for brows. Oh my God, I remember those days when I started my makeup journey. And then we used to start with brows first. I will use like 30 minutes. No, I'm exaggerating, but like 20 minutes. But now, I think within 5 minutes or less, I'm through with my brows. So I'm just using powder, the same shade of powder I use on her face to dry up the concealer, just to set it. And that is it. Now, I went ahead with, I've already done her eyeshadow. And when I use the powder to set the concealer, I mistakenly went into the eyeshadow, so I'm now using the eyeshadow again to blend the eyeshadow with the powder so there will be no harsh lines. This is the Morphe eyeshadow, by the way, the Morphe 35XO natural flex eyeshadow palette. And if you're in Nigeria, I sell makeup products. Well, you don't have to be in Nigeria. I deliver worldwide, so you can hit my DM, send me a DM, and this is the finished look. You can see the brows popping, natural looking, the lips, the eyes, everything. So tell me what you like about this video. I hope you like the brows. I've been talking about eyebrow tutorial, but now it is here. Thank you so much for joining. For watching rather. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.